guys, so we are 8 days out from Disney. You might have seen, but I just posted a video on my channel about what to pack and telling you that we are going to Disney for my 21st birthday. And within that packing series, I thought I'd show you what I bring makeup wise. So my counters are both covered in makeup and skincare and all of my hair stuff. So basically I just unpacked my whole Disney bag for you guys, and I'm gonna show you what I'm going to be bringing. So we're gonna start with my makeup case. This is just a clear one from Victoria's Secret. It used to have a bunch of bags in it when I bought it, but obviously it just carries my makeup now. And then the next thing I'm gonna bring is my beauty blender. This is the Beauty Blender Queen. I got sent this by Beauty Blender as a PR package, so I am bringing that with me. For primers, I have two. I have the Professional Hydrating, which I got sent by Benefit. I won one of their giveaways, so I'm bringing that. And then I am bringing the Too Faced Primed and Poreless Skin Smoothing Face Primer. Actually, both of these are like a silicone based primer, so they just fill in your pores, they make your face nice and smooth. So I love both of these. Next, for foundation, I am bringing three. So the first one I'm bringing is the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I wear the shade Mont Blanc Light 2, so I'm gonna bring that. This is more of like a light coverage foundation. I am bringing the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I really like this one. I wear the shade F2. And then the last one I'm bringing is the Ready Set Gorgeous CoverGirl Fresh Complexion Oil-Free Foundation in 105 Classic Ivory. I usually mix a little bit of this one in with the NARS one when I get a little bit tanner when we go to Disney. Next, for concealer and foundation mix-ins, I am bringing the Mini Velvetizer Translucent Mix-In. This makes your foundation extremely matte, so I really like that. And then for my concealer is going to be the Beauty Blender Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer. I have the shade Light Ivory 1C, and I also got sent this by Beauty Blender, so I'm really excited to try it. I do like my concealer a lot lighter than my foundation, just to brighten up the under eyes, so that's what that looks like. I think this is either the lightest shade or very close to the lightest shade. Next, we're gonna do powder and powder brushes. I am bringing a high-end powder and a normal powder. So this is the Too Faced Do You in Translucent Radiant Pearl. This one has little, like, not flecks of glitter, but it glistens when you put it on. You can't really see it in the packaging, so I won't even bother showing you. But this is super pretty, especially for Disney World when you want to be like super shiny. And then I am bringing the e.l.f. Sheer Powder. This is just their translucent powder. And then for brushes, I'm not sure what company this is, but I have a ton of brushes from them. So I'm bringing a big all-over face brush and then an Eco Tools face powder brush. Next is setting spray. I am bringing the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, the 16-hour. I have two of them. I bought a brand new one, which is for this trip. And on to contour. I'm going to bring the Hula by Benefit bronzer. I really like this one, though it can be a little dark and orangey for me, but I think it's really pretty. And then for a powder contour palette, I am bringing the Pure Sculptor palette, and I like to use this bottom extremely dark shade because I have such pale skin and it doesn't make me look gray or orange. It's just a really nice all over contour. And then there are two highlights in here. I usually use this one, which is called the Originator, but Trailblazer is a little bit too dark for me, so I don't tend to use that one. Next is gonna be highlighters. So I have one jelly, two powder, and two liquid highlighters that I'm bringing with me. The first one, the liquid, is the Dermablend Glow Creator. I like to mix this in with my foundation. The next one is a mini one I have of the Cover FX drops in Moonlight. I don't know if anyone uses these anymore, but these like are amazing. Then for powder highlighter, I am bringing my super smashed up Wet n Wild Pro Glow powder. Oh, Mega Glow powder in Blossom Glow. I really like this one. It's a very pinkish toned highlighter. Not that you can really see it, but that one's really good. I am bringing my mini Becca in the shade Vanilla Quartz. I smashed my huge one of this on my trip home, so now I'm only buying the mini ones because I found they don't break as easily, which is very surprising, but I really like that. And then for the jelly highlighter, I am bringing the Too Faced You're So Jelly Highlighter. It is so pretty. It is a strange consistency, but I find if I put it on right after I do my foundation and then powder around it, that works very well. And this one is the shade Gilded Champagne, and it smells like gummy bears. Next for blush, I don't wear much blush, so I'm only bringing a mini Tarte blush in Party. Next is some eye brushes I'm bringing. So I'm bringing 2 of the Tarte Mermaid Collection brushes, a small Eco Tool brush, another brush from that brand that I don't know what it is, but it's an eyeliner or a angled liner brush. I am bringing a Laura Mercier ponytail brush and an Ulta eyeshadow brush for blending in the crease. Next for eye palettes, I am going to bring 2. I am going to bring the Sweet Peach by Too Faced, and I'm going to bring the Gingerbread Extra Spicy by Too Faced. I really love Too Faced shadows, and these 2 are great palettes to use. I am bringing a ton of mascara. I really like mascara. It's one of my favorite parts of my routine, so I bring a lot. First, I am bringing the CoverGirl Flourish by Last Blast. I really like this one. It has coconut oil in it, and it tends not to make my eyes hurt after a long day. The next one I'm bringing after that is the Benefit Their Real Mascara in just the regular black. I am bringing a mini of the Stila Huge Mascara. I have not tried this one yet. I think I got it a free sample for buying their whipped foundation at Ulta. So I'm bringing that. I am bringing a mini of the Urban Decay Troublemaker. And I am bringing a huge Better Than Sex, a brand new one for our trip. For 3 more brushes I am bringing, they're all that same brand. I am bringing the angled contour brush, the fan brush, and the blending brush. And the last thing for eyes is going to be liner. I am bringing the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, a NARS Shadow Stick in the shade Cyros. I think that's how you say that. And a La Prairie Brow Pencil in Brune. And finally on to lips. So I don't wear much lipstick, so I'm actually not bringing any lipstick with me. I am going to be bringing the Santa Baby Lush Lip Scrub, a Chap Stick in Candy Cane, which if you've seen my videos before, especially my empties, you know this is my favorite chapstick. For other chapsticks, I am bringing the Tony Moly Mini Peach Balm, the Body Shop Lip Butter in, I want to say this one is in Grapefruit. Yep, in Grapefruit. And then a company from where I used to live. It is the B-Boss Honey Co. And they are, it doesn't say where they're located. I think they are somewhere on Cape. That is just their chapstick in the shade in the flavor Perky Peppermint. And the last 2 lip products I'm going to be bringing are the Bobbi Brown Lip Gloss in Sailor One and the Drink Up Hydrating Lip Balm from Origins in the shade Plum Punch. The last type of a makeup-y item I'm going to bring is the Too Faced Kissable Body Shimmer that tastes like, I almost said peppermint. It tastes like a gingerbread and smells like gingerbread. I love putting this on my chest and my collarbones, and it just smells so good. So I love dusting this all over. It's very glittery, very shimmery, very Disney. Next for skincare, I'm going to be going through this quickly and not really in any particular order. So the 2 cleansers I am bringing are the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. This stuff is amazing. Really like that. And then the Pericomb Oil-Free Daily Foaming Cleanser. To apply those, I am obviously bringing my mini Foreo scrubber thing. For face masks, I'm going to be using the Alive by Algenist Prebiotic Balancing Mask. I really like this one. It's green in the packaging. Like that, and then when you rub it into your face, it turns this pretty pink color. It's super cool. I am also going to be using the Chlorophyll Detox Mask by Pericomb MD. I love this, even though it's so ridiculously expensive, but it really does work. It has, I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to see. If you can see or not, it has little tiny beads in it, and when those beads pop on your face, they turn green. This mask is really good, and it smells amazing. The next thing I'm going to be bringing is my Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I love this, especially when I'm using that Better Than Sex mascara. It really just cleanses your entire face. You put this on just with plain makeup on, and then you rub it in. You don't need any water, and then I usually wipe it off with a makeup wipe, wash my face again, and then I will use the Murad cleanser. Another cleanser I'm going to be bringing is the Ole Henderson Truth, the Clean Truth Foaming Cleanser, African Red Tea Extract, and I'm pretty sure this has some type of citrus in it. It does not say, but I am 100% sure it does. It smells super good, and it's just a foaming cleanser. Obviously, for makeup wipes, I'm just using the CVS brand ones. These are the ones that are supposed to be a copy of the Neutrogena ones, but I like these ones better because the Neutrogena ones tend to make me break out, and these are really good. Last three products, the Murad Acne Control Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment. I like putting this on at night if I have any breakouts. The Pond's Clariant B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream. This is just a regular moisturizer. And then the Acne Clearing Pads with White Clay by First Aid Beauty. Last but not least is my hair care products. So I'm going to be bringing my shampoo and conditioner are by Paul Mitchell. They are the tea tree ones. Those are already packed all the way down in our suitcase, so I'm not gonna get those out. But other things that I'm going to be bringing for my hair are the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo. I really like this. Of course, a girl at Disney has gotta have dry shampoo. I am bringing my mini of the Detox Whipped Dry Shampoo Foam by Drybar. I really love this product. And of course, another dry shampoo I'm gonna be bringing is the Hosk Mono Coconut Long Lasting Oil Absorption Dry Shampoo. I really like this one. It's made with, I wanna say coconut oil. Yeah, pretty sure it has coconut oil in it. Not really sure, but I think it works really well. The last product I am bringing for my hair is the L'Oreal Ever Sleek Precious Oil Treatment with Argan Oil. I have two of these. They go a long way. I think they're great. I use them just on the ends of my hair if they're looking dry. Now on to beauty tools. Basically, in the long run, I am bringing my hairbrush, two scrunchies, a comb for getting right up in my part, a big clip for putting my hair back. I think this is one of those ones that changes to pink in the sunlight. Not 100% sure, but just a big clip to put my hair back. Alligator clips for sectioning out my hair when I straighten it. My glove for my clipless curler and my straightening iron. My hair dryer, this is the Rusk weightless hair dryer. It's the one that's in white. I really like it. And last but not least, my straightening iron. This is the Avanti Babyless Pro. This is the wet to dry one. I do not use it wet to dry. I really only use it just as a straightener. Sometimes when my hair is damp, which it does work for, and it has the case. That is basically what I am bringing to Disney World in my makeup bag and skincare and hair care. Obviously, there's a couple more things like body scrubs, things I use in the shower. I am bringing a couple of Lush bath bombs to treat myself. But basically, that is the majority of it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this second video in my Disney series. I can't wait till we leave. Again, we leave in 8 days. I am so excited and ready to go. It's almost a week till we leave. So if you have any questions or comments or concerns, feel free to leave them down below. Make sure you subscribe if you like my content. I like to make hauls and vlogs and things like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.